The table's now at the dining height, so this is a demonstration of how the rise and fall mech works. Swing out the handles here, nice straight back, straight up, should just lock in like that, lower it down in that end. I'll go do the same at the other end. Handles out, straight back, straight up, down, and there it is, locked in. That's the playing position. And again, if you want to go back to dining, it's just the reverse of the operation. So you lifting handles, lift it up slightly, so you disengage the mech, up, and all the way down to the bottom, handles in. Same this end, up slightly, then down, that's it. Now it's down to the dining height. It's as simple as that.